What's up, guys, and welcome to Moving Minds with Money. Now, today we're going to be looking at an online method in which you can make $250 up to $250 per day. These are both methods that I tested out myself, and at the end of the video, I'm going to give you guys a third method which you can use to make money online very conveniently. Like, share, comment, and subscribe for more money making content. And guys, I also have a special offer that we're going to get to later. But let's dive into this. Now, the two methods that we're going to be talking about today is drop shipping and drop servicing. You both probably heard of both of these concepts. I myself have used both of these. I've experimented with these. I made some money of this, a couple of $100 here and there. But I thought I'd give you guys the lowdown because a lot of people do not know what the difference between these two is. So first of all, drop shipping. Now, drop shipping and drop servicing are very similar business models. Essentially, in both of them, you act like a middleman, right? So let's look at drop shipping, for example. So let's say you have an online store, right? Your online store sells t-shirts, right? Now, before you create that online store, you go to somewhere like Alibaba.com, you look at those t-shirts, you look at the price. You take those tees, right? And what you do is you simply mark up the price and you put that exact same t-shirt on your store. Now the customer buys, right? But you do not physically own stock of that t-shirt, if you get what I'm saying. And then you have a customer, it comes, he purchases your t-shirt for the price that is increased before. He purchases for that price at an amount X, right, which is higher than the amount that Alibaba charges for a t-shirt. So you get paid, and what you do, you go over to Alibaba.com, you purchase that shirt for less than you've advertised it for, and you pocket the difference. That shirt is then shipped directly to the customer. That is the whole idea of drop shipping. Drop servicing, right, is very much the same business model, but only with services. Let's say you are offering website design services, right? You are offering website design services, right? So what you do, first of all, you go onto Fiverr, Upwork, and you look at how much these freelancers are charging for website designs. You up the price, you put that price on your site, right? So when a customer comes along, says, I need a website designed, he pays that X amount, and what you do, you take that amount and you pay a freelancer on Upwork or Fiverr to do that website for you, and you pocket the difference. Now, what is the catch? What is the differences between these two? What do you need to take into account? Well, first of all, drop shipping is a bit of a logistical headache, right? Because remember, the parcels can get lost, ships can be delayed, and the customer might get irritated because their product is not arriving quickly enough. With drop servicing, you have the problem of the quality of the work. Remember that you're the middleman. So if the customer is not satisfied with your job, you've already paid a third party, so that's going to be a bit of a problem. And that's why you need to make sure that you use freelancers with good reviews before you invest in one, right? So that is the main lowdown on these two things, right? Both very it's very convenient to make money from both of these. Like I said, I've made a few $100s myself. My friend has also made a few $100s herself. But it does require attention. It does require work. So it's not like you can just sit back and do absolutely nothing. Now, before we move on with the video, if you guys want to know about an easy way to make money online working from home, there is a site called writeappreviews.com, in which you sign up for free. You get paid to review apps and write your reviews. All work from home, all very convenient, guys. I've linked it down below if you'd be interested in signing up. It's a very convenient method for working from home, making some extra cash. We all need that extra cash when we can. So go and check it out. It is linked down below. Now, as said, a bonus money making method. The third one that I myself like is domain flipping. So remember, what is a domain? A domain is essentially it's a set of special characters that directs you to a website. And in order for you to have access to that website, you have to own that domain, obviously. So domain flipping entails basically buying the domain and simply selling it for less than you bought it, for more than you bought it for, right? For facts, Cars.com sold for $872 million. Yes, $872 million. So there is money, guys. If you have the right domain with the correct brandability, with the with the correct relevance and with the correct demand, you can hit it big. But essentially, you have to be willing to be patient. Sometimes people hold on for domains until that domain becomes relevant and then sells it at a profit. Now, there are a lot of places which you can purchase domains, GoDaddy.com, Namecheap, a lot of marketplaces for buying and selling domains. But essentially, it's a game of patience. It does take a little bit of research in order for you to find domains that are relevant and that are in demand. But another fantastic way to make money online. But yeah, that is it, guys. 2 ways to make at least $250 online per day, plus a third bonus tip. Remember that writeappreviews.com is linked down below should you be interested in reviewing apps, getting paid for writing reviews about apps, just testing apps out in the comfort of your own home. I hope to see you all there. We'll see you in the next video.